today we've been a part of something really cool where we are working on a project to restore greenland mussels in Te Tauihu in the top of the South Island.
And what we're really doing is gathering all this knowledge from all these different places and piecing it together, a bit like a puzzle, just to try and really understand what's happened and what these mussels need in order to come back and create these thriving ecosystems that we've completely lost. We've started spreading across to places like this, which is Mohua in Golden Bay.
We had many different organizations come today, including the Mana Whenua ki Mohua, which gave a karakia over the deployment.
Kia ora te whānau. Welcome to our day out here to reseed these mussels. Whakatakata hau ki te uru, whakatakata hau ki te tonga, kia mā kina kina ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tai, e hi aki ana te atakura, he tio, he huka, he hauhu, tihei, mauri ora. Thank you.
We went to Pohara this morning and the mussel farmers there brought us out on their boat, the Aristocat.
Tallies has collected shell from their Machawika factory.
The idea being is that that shell creates a substrate for the adult mussels to attach
to try to see if that helps mussels to attach and establish. Clearwater mussels had gone above and beyond today and collected 4 tons of mussels that were deployed onto the seabed.
We went up to the mussel long lines that they have. They lift the lines up one by one and filter them through this thing.
A little bit different than our normal day-to-day stuff, so quite exciting doing a mussel deployment and shell as well. So yeah, so it's a little bit new for us.
This area was heavily dredged for a very long time, mainly for scallops, but what dredging does, it's like removing a forest, but instead of just cutting down the trees, you're cutting down the trees and you're taking several meters of that topsoil off as well.
New Zealand's largest aquaculture industry, greenland mussel, is dependent on wild spat at the moment, and without healthy wild reefs producing those offspring, then that industry just doesn't exist.
Adding more mussels here and getting these beds back up to like it was, and what we might say before we started farming mussels, is great. And whether it's for spat, or whether it's for someone wants to come and grab mussels off the beach like they used to, then it's great for everybody.
I've lived in the area basically all my life. This is part of our tūranga waiwai that I grew up in. We used to come here at Christmas time and we used to come and get kutai all the time.
Mohua is a food basket, and a marine food basket in particular. And somehow the things we're doing on land and at sea have made it less fruitful.
So we have 2 divers in the water via scuba, and that's what these guys are doing right now. And what they're doing is they are checking on the length and the width of each plot, but they're also pegging down some coir so that we can hopefully give the mussels time to establish onto those rocky or kind of sandy intertidal locations.
And now by just putting this one animal down, the Greenland mussels, it actually creates this whole new world where all these other animals then come and create this new ecosystem down on the seafloor.
Oh, I'd like it to be really successful. I think it's wonderful. It's something that's looking at, for future generations, is to restore all these reefs. Nature's been given a helping hand.
Sooner or later, somebody has to be the generation that hands it on in better shape than they got it. And so far, no one ever has. This would be a good start.